Welcome back to Teach Fair. Imagine holding a camera that doesn't just capture moments, it dominates them. A camera that seems almost alive, faster than your reflexes, smarter than your instincts, and ready for whatever your imagination demands. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful imaging machines ever built, the Nikon Z9. If you've ever wondered why the Z9 has become the whisper in every professional studio, the roar on every wildlife expedition, and the quiet confidence in every cinematographer's toolkit, stay right where you are. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand why the Z9 isn't just a flagship camera. It's a declaration of what the future of imaging looks like. Let's begin with something simple. Speed. Not just any speed, impossible speed. The kind of speed that makes you question whether a human even pressed the shutter button. The Z9 doesn't wait for your subject. It predicts it, tracks it, locks onto it like it has a personal mission to never miss a moment. Whether it's an eagle diving at 80 miles per hour or a quarterback launching the perfect spiral, the Z9 reacts almost before the action begins. For creators, this isn't just a feature, it's an advantage, a superpower. But maybe you've heard about fast cameras before. Maybe you're thinking, sure, every camera claims to be fast. So let me tell you about something different, something that truly separates the Z9 from the rest. The Nikon Z9 has no mechanical shutter. Zero. None. And instead of being a limitation, it became its greatest strength. With a sensor fast enough to read the entire frame with breathtaking efficiency, Nikon created a camera that eliminates rolling shutter in a way that feels almost unreal. You're no longer tied to the old limitations of mechanical parts. There's no shutter shock, no wear and tear, no sound to break the moment, just pure, uninterrupted imaging. And if you've ever shot in complete silence, really shot in silence, you know how powerful that is. It's like time slows down. You become invisible. Whether you're capturing wildlife that startles at the slightest sound or shooting behind-the-scenes moments at a wedding where emotion needs quiet, the Z9 becomes an extension of your presence. Silent, precise, and aware. Now let's talk about video, because this is where the Z9 doesn't just compete with cinema cameras, it challenges them. The Nikon Z9 records 8K. Yes, 8K, but not just any 8K. 8K that looks so rich, so detailed, so deep, it feels like you're stepping inside the frame. And it does it for hours without overheating. Hours. Imagine the creative freedom of filming in a resolution so sharp you can punch in, crop, reframe, and stabilize, and still deliver flawless 4K. This isn't just about future-proofing. It's about controlling time, space, and storytelling in ways that used to require a truckload of gear. And speaking of storytelling, the Z9's video autofocus is the kind you don't notice. And that's the point. It doesn't hunt. It doesn't panic. It doesn't get confused when multiple faces enter the frame or when your subject turns suddenly. It smoothly glides from focus point to focus point, like it already knows where your story is going. If you're a creator, you know that reliable autofocus isn't just convenient, it frees your mind. It lets you focus on emotion, lighting, composition, the art. The camera handles the technical side, so you can handle the human side. But maybe it's not the autofocus that impresses you. Maybe you want durability. Real, serious, take it to the ends of the earth durability. The Z9 doesn't care about rain, dust, snow, heat, or cold. It isn't a fragile piece of tech, it's a tank. A precision-engineered machine with weather sealing so advanced it almost laughs at bad conditions. Photographers who've taken the Z9 into the Alaskan wilderness say the same thing. It just keeps going. Videographers who've shot in urban heat islands, on construction sites, in the dry Nevada desert, all say the same thing. It never flinches. Not once. And that's exactly what you want in a flagship camera. Something you don't have to baby. Something that disappears into your hands and lets you focus on what matters. Capturing something unforgettable. But maybe performance isn't enough. Maybe you're wondering, what makes the Z9 feel different? Because you can list specs all day, but specs are only half the story. The real secret to the Z9 is confidence. The kind of confident you feel when your camera does more than you expected, not less. When you're tracking an athlete at full speed and every frame looks tack sharp. When you're shooting a wedding ceremony and every precious expression is preserved. When you're hiking with 20 pounds of gear and your camera never becomes a burden. The Z9 has a personality, a presence. It feels serious, yet encouraging. It feels like a tool made for pros, yet welcoming for ambitious beginners. There's a sense of power in every button, every scroll, every sound. Well, the lack of sound. Every movement. It's an experience. And here's something a lot of creators don't mention. The Z9 makes you grow. It challenges you to try new genres. It pushes you toward higher quality. It convinces you to take one more shot, film one more angle, chase one more moment. That's not marketing. That's the experience photographers genuinely talk about. Think about the first time you held a camera that made you feel unstoppable. The Z9 is that feeling dialed up to the maximum. But let's go deeper. Behind the scenes of every image is the Z9's brain, the X7 processor. It doesn't just process images. It anticipates. It learns. It analyzes every pixel, every color shift, every movement with an intelligence that feels one step ahead of reality. This is why the Z9's subject detection is borderline magical. It finds human eyes, animal eyes, birds, cars, motorcycles, planes, and stays locked on even when chaos fills the frame. Picture a football stadium. Fans roaring, players charging, photographers packed on the sidelines. Most cameras struggle, but the Z9 sees through the chaos. It finds a moment. It isolates the action, and it gives you the shot that tells the entire story. And that's really what the Z9 is about. Storytelling at the highest level. Not just capturing what's happening, but capturing what it feels like. The adrenaline, the emotion, the intimacy, the power. The more time you spend with it, the more you realize Nikon wasn't just trying to make a great camera. They were trying to redefine what a flagship camera should be. Let's talk about ergonomics. Because if you've ever spent hours shooting with a camera that's uncomfortable to hold, you know how much that ruins the moment. The Z9 fits in your hand like it belongs there. The deep grip, the intuitive layout, the perfectly positioned buttons. Everything is where you expect it to be, because Nikon spent decades refining the feeling of a professional camera body. For portrait shooters, the vertical grip feels natural. For sports shooters, the quick access buttons become second nature. And for filmmakers, the sense of balance is perfect for handheld work. The camera feels stable, strong, grounded. And then there's the battery life. A real beast. You can shoot all day, literally all day, and still have power left when the sun goes down. For travelers, event shooters, and outdoor creators, the Z9 becomes a partner you trust without question. But the story doesn't end here, because a camera is only as powerful as the system behind it. And Nikon has finally delivered a lens lineup worthy of the Z9's potential. Fast primes, incredible telephotos, sharp zooms, and what might be the best portrait lens Nikon has ever made, the 85mm f/1.2. Put that lens on a Z9, and you're stepping into a different world. A world of sharpness, so crisp it feels like reality in 4D. Now, as you hear all this, you might start imagining the possibilities. The first project you'd shoot with it. The moments you'd finally capture the way you always imagined. The upgrade in your portfolio. The growth in your confidence. The feeling of holding something built not just for today, but for the future. Because the Z9 isn't going away anytime soon. It's built to last. Built to evolve. And with firmware updates that continuously unlock new features, it's a camera that gets better with time. That's the difference between a tool and an investment. A tool works for you. An investment grows with you. So if you're someone who captures stories, someone who wants the best image quality, the best autofocus, the best durability, the best video performance, the Z9 is more than a camera. It's your next big step. If you're a wedding photographer, this camera will save moments you didn't even see happening. If you're a wildlife shooter, it will capture animals with a clarity that feels like a miracle. If you're a filmmaker, it will give you 8K freedom without UD fear of overheating. If you're a content creator, it will elevate your entire brand. The Nikon Z9 isn't perfect. No camera is. But it gets so many things right that when you use it, you stop thinking about the camera altogether. You just create. And that is the highest compliment a camera can ever earn. So as we reach the end of this deep dive, ask yourself one question. What would your story look like through the Z9? Because the truth is it might look better than you ever imagined. And that is the magic of a Nikon Z9. But let's go even deeper, beyond specs, beyond features, beyond the marketing language everyone repeats. Let's talk about the sensation of using a camera like the Nikon Z9, the kind of subtle things that only reveal themselves after you've spent real time creating with it. There's a moment every photographer knows, a moment when the world around you fades out for just a second. The light hits the perfect angle. Your subject falls into the frame effortlessly. Everything aligns. And then you press the shutter. That tiny whisper of time captured forever. With the Z9, those moments happen more often. Not because you changed, because the camera gives you permission to trust your instincts more boldly. When you know your autofocus will stick, you move more freely. When you know your camera won't miss the decisive moment, you take risks you never would have considered. When you know the dynamic range will hold, you shoot even when the light is unpredictable. It's subtle, but it changes everything. Consider sunrise photography. It's cold. Your fingers sting. The light shifts every few seconds. You're tired, and nature doesn't wait for you to adjust your settings. With most cameras, it feels like a race. With the Z9, it feels like a dance. Smooth, responsive, almost collaborative. You point, and it reacts. You compose, and it adapts. You press the shutter, and it rewards your choice. There's an elegance to a camera that works with you, not against you. And this brings us to something most people never talk about: the emotional impact of a reliable camera. When your gear fails, your creativity hesitates. When your gear succeeds again and again, your creativity expands. Suddenly, you're shooting in conditions you used to avoid. You're experimenting with portraits, with astrophotography, with slow motion, with wildlife, with long exposures, because the Z9 makes you feel like, yeah, I can do that. And I can do it well. And confidence is the fuel of great creators. Now imagine this. You're filming in 8K. Your subject walks through shifting shadows. Most cameras would struggle. Autofocus would twitch, exposure would flicker, noise would creep in. But with the Z9, the footage remains smooth, crisp, balanced. It feels cinematic even without grading. The transitions look intentional. You look at the playback later and think, did I really shoot that? Yes, you did, because you had the right tool in your hands. Let's talk about dynamic range. The Z9 handles highlights and shadows with a maturity that feels almost human. You can recover details in clouds that look blown out. You can pull information for shadows that look pitch black. Colors come to life in a way that reminds you why you fell in love with photography in the first place. It doesn't just capture what your eyes see, it captures what your memory felt. And that's what separates average cameras from legendary ones. Now let's shift gears. Picture a wildlife photographer standing at the edge of a forest. Hours of silence. Every rustle feels like a promise. You wait patiently for that one rare animal to appear. Most cameras make you anxious. You worry about battery life, about missed focus, about buffer limitations, about shutter noise. The Z9 fixes all of that. The battery lasts. The focus locks. The buffer clears instantly. The silent shutter keeps you invisible. And when that animal finally appears, everything you need to succeed is already in place. Imagine the emotional payoff of finally capturing that moment in stunning detail. That's the kind of memory the Z9 gives you, the kind of experience you don't forget. And let's talk about sports. Fast action, unpredictable movement, crowds, pressure, athletes moving at full speed, expressions changing in milliseconds. It's chaos, but chaos is where the Z9 shines. The deep learning autofocus sees the game the way a professional photographer does. It knows what matters in the frame. It identifies the players. It follows the ball. It recognizes the direction of motion even before you press the shutter. It does the technical heavy lifting so you can focus purely on storytelling. And for sports shooters, that's priceless. Now imagine you're a filmmaker. You need reliability. You need color consistency. You need a camera that won't overheat, even during long interviews or intense outdoor shoots. The Z9 becomes your workhorse, your partner, your insurance policy. You don't worry about sudden shutdowns. You don't worry about missing takes. You don't worry about corrupted files. You get to focus entirely on the art. Speaking of art, let's discuss color science. There's something unmistakable about Nikon colors. Skin tones feel honest. Greens feel natural. Blues feel deep and atmospheric. The Z9 enhances that signature look with modern image processing that preserves depth, contrast, and texture. The files feel alive, and they grade beautifully. Whether you're aiming for a cinematic teal and orange look or a natural documentary feel, the Z9 files bend without breaking. They respond to your vision instead of fighting against it. Now, let's imagine you're holding the Z9 right now. Feel the weight. Solid but balanced. Professional, but not overwhelming. Every button intentional. Every placement refined. You have complete control at your fingertips. ISO, shutter, aperture, modes, focus settings, AF on. Everything exactly where a creator needs it. You raise it to your eye. The EVF isn't just bright, it's real. No blackout. No delay. No flique. It's like looking through a window into the future. You press halfway on the shutter. Instantly, the camera locks onto your subject with confidence and clarity. You feel ready to capture anything. And that feeling is everything. Let's talk about lenses again. Because the Z system isn't just growing, it's exploding with quality. The 24 to 70mm f/2.8 is a Swiss Army knife of perfection. The 50mm f/1.2 is pure magic in low light. The 400mm and 600mm super telephotos turn distant subjects into intimate portraits. And the 35mm f/1.8, sharp enough to cut through reality. Every lens reveals a different personality of the Z9, a different strength, a different way of seeing the world. And as you build your collection, something interesting happens. The Z9 becomes your creative home, a place where your projects live, a space where your style evolves. Now, let me take you somewhere else for a moment. Imagine the future, a decade from now, when technology has advanced far beyond what we know today. When young creators ask, what was the camera that changed everything? The Z9 will be one of those names. Just like the legendary DSLRs of the past, the Z9 will be remembered as a turning point, a leap forward.